Okay, I tried everything, and this is all what laptop is doing. It's turning on, turning off, turning on, turning off. It was water damaged. I cleared it fully, fully cleared it. Before that, it was not turning on. Then it started turning like this. I was like, okay, let's swap Windows. I put new Windows, new BIOS inside, and it's still happening just this. So processor is little warm, but PCH this is getting hot. So that's what worrying me. So all lamps are turning on off, and that's all what it do. Anyone have idea what it can be? Thank you.